brown. Hello guys, it's me Ben 2000, Sun Plush, and today I got a Thomas plush. Let's get started. So I'm gonna put the phone down. See after I
What's this? Look at all that fabric.
Oh my god, this plush is so big. Let's see. Okay, so this plush is so big. I can tell you, he's bigger than my hand. First, the seller didn't let me buy it, then got it. So this was made in, mostly saying 2000, yes, 2000. I saw another one was in a box, but that one was sold, so I bought this one. And it's really squishy. Move out of the right stupid box.
Oh, Thomas plush.
I'm filming. That's my dad in the background. This one is really flimsy. This one is really squishy, and it's not that squishy. Like this is really squishy right here. A picture of the voice box. There was a voice box inside of it, and the face is made out of rubber material, squishy. This looks like it's a torch. This looks like it's a torch toy. I don't know. In pretty good condition. In very good condition too. The buffers are actually plastic. It's actually pretty accurate to the show. I'm disappointed how the back doesn't have buffers. That's fine. And I would definitely use this in my series because my Plus series. I really like this model right here. It's not. They released this plush in 2017. I was about 6, and they made it into a glow in the dark Tom. So the face glowed in the dark. I think it was a release. I didn't know they released this plush ever again, like Tickle Me Elmo. But this plush is really nice, and it's actually pretty soft. Not that soft, but it's pretty soft. The back is soft. It's like stuff holding it. I thought it was gonna be that soft. Well, the plush was gonna be like this small, like a regular plush. But nope, this plush is really very big, and on the camera, I actually have another Thomas plush I'll show you. Okay. So let me find the plush that's my front part, and this plush is really detailed, and everything's entirely plush besides the face, and sides of the buffers. This plush is really accurate. Well, look at this, the whiteboard's actually painted. Underneath, I actually pretty like the underneath. And now, get out of here. This plush is so big, I can't even get it on camera. I can't hold it on my hand. It's so. I don't want to ruin this plush. I might cut off the tag because this plush is so detailed. I don't want to ruin it because if I ruin it, I'll be upset. I want to keep in good condition how it used to be. The seller before this might have played around with it for a little bit, then stopped and just took care of it. Today it's so good how I got it in the mail today, and it's actually pretty big. It's big as hell, and someone must have played with it. I don't know. It's really soft as hell. Now I finally got it. I was imagining how small this will be. Like it will be like this size, but nope. I was wrong. It's big. I wish I had a ruler to measure out size to this. Maybe I'll do a comparison with my other Thomas plush to see what sizes they are. This is the one I like. I actually wanted to feel what the plush looked like, so I have it in my hand now. Yay. I'm sorry guys, I woke up late. So I'm not gonna ruin this plush, so that'll be my end review on this 2000 Thomas plush, musical plush, and that's it. Goodbye.